My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus came into the world to establish a kingdom. Now the word kingdom can be understood or interpreted many ways. One of the ways we say Jesus came to the world to make us whole, physically whole, mentally whole, spiritually whole, socially whole, and can go on. Therefore, with this in mind, he stepped out in the world. And to be able to do this work, so-called effectively, fruitfully, he had a certain procedure. And Mark tells us, though not the proper order, but Mark tells us the procedure, how he went about making people whole. He tells us at the end, or almost at the end, he would rise early in the morning and spend some time with the Father. He was alone with the alone, all by himself with the Father. And one may ask ourselves, why did he spend so much time with the Father when there's so much of work to be done? Jesus required inner energy, inner strength. To begin the ministry, he realized, I need some time to be with the alone, where I can get all my spiritual strength. And therefore he'll spend a lot of time early morning all by himself with the Father, keeping in contact with him. And once that was done, he will spend the day making people whole. We heard two incidents. One, in a way, Mark summarizes all that happened in the course of the day. He says he went and made people whole, and all those who came in with all types of illness, with a dumb, deaf, sick, paralyzed, lame, even those who are dead, he made them whole, gave them back what they wanted, physical strength, and sort of spiritual strength. That was the day. And he did this not just in one town particularly, but he went all the towns of Galilee and beyond Galilee, because his mission was for the entire world, not just for one particular place or village or city. This is our life. How do we begin our day? We in a way planned the previous day what are we going to do, all the jobs, but how do we start our day? Do we draw strength spending some time with the alone? Or do we start our work right? One time we get up, we start working like machines till in the evening we are totally burnt out. And our mission is to make people whole. Therefore, we need to appreciate our so-called physical strength. We must appreciate our health. Once people have said, the greatest wealth one can have is our health. So once we have health, then we can do a lot of good. Therefore, when we are sick, of any type, we run to the hospitals, run to this doctor, because we want to be fully fit. But today we ask ourselves this question: how much time do I give to spend with the alone? And do I get the energy required to spend the day making people whole?